Hello. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you our office space. This is basically a 1 BHK that we've converted to an office space. So let me give you a talk. So this is a living room which we've converted to our working area. So this is where my brother and I work. So we have a small puja space here, and we have some sort of storage here, weighing machine. So we are actually planning to redo the space. Kitchen area. Right. This is a light box that my brother created. A LED light that is put inside, and so all of this is our packing stuff. This is a painting made by my sister, so it's just and yeah. So these are the two tables where we work. This is another extra table that we had, and keep all our stationery and extra stuff here. And this is a bedroom. We have a bed here. This is again an extra bed, so we've just placed it here. And a lot of packing materials in all of these boxes. And in these cupboards, we have again our lot of stuff here. And in this cupboard, we have our stock. Actually, planning right now is to redo this space so that this becomes like a shoot area. So we're planning to have a lot of frames set up here. I'll attach a reference image so you know what we are planning to do it. This table will go, and this is a washroom. Also, we're planning to have some wall decor here and some paintings here on this wall, and a small seating space here, either a bean bag or a chair, and that's it. We'll also be changing the curtains. So whatever you see right now, this is all jugaad work, ठीक है? और पता नहीं क्यों, but we never really felt like we need to turn this completely into an office space, but now I feel that we need to do it. It was just this, the lighting was just this. There were these spotlights here, so it made the room very dark. So then we added two more LED tube lights. Now this is a very short term office space. We'll definitely move our office to the building that we are constructing right now. So this is just going to be our office space for like 8 to 10 months. So we don't want to do a lot of changes, a lot of interior changes, because this is going to be used as a 1 BHK. So yeah, so let me know if you have any more ideas for our office space or how we can beautify the space, and let's meet in the next vlog.